Check this out. There's a 5-step formula that top YouTubers use to consistently get millions of views, but almost none of them share it publicly. I've reverse engineered this process after studying hundreds of successful channels, and today I'm breaking it down step by step. In my previous videos, I exposed the brutal truths about why most YouTube channels fail. Today, I'm giving you the actual blueprint for success, the step-by-step formula that consistently produces high-performing videos. This isn't theory, it's the exact process top creators use. Step number 1. Start with a strong idea. 90% of YouTube success happens before you ever hit record. It starts with a strong idea, and there's a specific formula for finding winning ideas. First, identify the intersection of these 3 elements. What your audience is actively searching for. What's currently trending in your niche. What you can add a unique perspective to. The best ideas solve a specific problem or answer a specific question. Generic content like my day as a photographer gets ignored. Specific content like how I shot a wedding with just one lens gets views. Here's the process. Generate 10 video ideas, then ruthlessly eliminate the weakest ones. If an idea doesn't immediately excite you or solve a clear problem, it's not strong enough. Step number 2. Test 10 titles before picking one. Examples of weak titles: my camera setup, or how to grow on YouTube. Examples of strong titles: the $200 camera setup that outperforms a $2,000 DSLR, or how I gained 10,000 subscribers in 30 days with no existing audience. Remember, if your title doesn't make someone stop scrolling, your video doesn't exist. Test your titles with friends or in communities to see which ones create the most curiosity. Step number 3. Focus on retention. Click-through rate gets people in the door, but retention keeps them watching. And that's what YouTube rewards most. The first 30 seconds are make or break. You need to hook viewers with a bold statement or promise. Preview the value they'll get by watching. Eliminate any reason to click away. Throughout the video, create what I call retention anchors. Moments that keep viewers watching by promising something valuable coming up. Phrases like, "In a minute I'll show you," or "the third technique is my favorite." Keep viewers engaged. The brutal truth? Most viewers are looking for a reason to leave. Your job is to constantly give them reasons to stay. Every 30 seconds, ask yourself, why would someone keep watching past this point? Step number 4. Engineer engagement. YouTube's algorithm loves engagement signals. Comments, likes, and shares tell YouTube your content is worth promoting. Top creators strategically engineer engagement by asking simple yes/no questions early in the video, creating moments of surprise or controversy that demand a reaction, requesting specific comments related to the content. The key is making engagement feel natural, not forced. Instead of saying comment below, say, "Let me know if you've experienced this too," or "Do you agree with this approach?" Early engagement is especially powerful. The first 24 hours of a video's life largely determine its future performance. Respond to early comments to boost that initial engagement signal. Step number 5. Build monetization beyond ADS. The final step of the formula is thinking beyond ad revenue from day one. Top creators know that YouTube is a platform to build an audience, not just a place to earn ad money. Start building these additional revenue streams early. Affiliate marketing, recommending products you actually use. Sponsorships, even small channels can get sponsors in the right niche. Digital products, courses, templates, presets. Community support, memberships, Patreon. The creators who survive long-term have diversified income. They're not at the mercy of YouTube's constantly changing monetization policies. Conclusion. This 5-step formula is what separates successful creators from those who struggle for years without growth. It's not about luck or talent. It's about following a proven process consistently. The good news is that most creators will never implement this formula. They'll keep focusing on the wrong things, creating opportunities for those who follow this blueprint. Remember, strong idea, clickable title, high retention, engineered engagement, smart smart monetization. Master these 5 steps, and you'll be ahead of 99% of creators. Which of these 5 steps do you struggle with the most? Comment below with the number, and I'll know exactly where you need help. In the next video, I'll debunk the biggest YouTube myths that are holding you back. You don't want to miss it.